could get somebody good for the suit.
I understand. You what? I wish I like Trey Parker.
I don't know what they get for you.
Steve, let me see that bathing suit.
Steve, let's see your bathing suit. Come on.
Not for Niecy. I wouldn't do that to
Show Niecy what she's missing.
Now, Niecy knows what she's missing.
Oh, come on,
ain't got nothing
Steve.
like this on the beach, Niecy.
Come on, Steve, let's see it.
Good smile.
Let's see it, Steve. Come on, move away.
No.
Come on, Steve.
Too bashful.
Boy.
I can zoom it in, Uncle Stevie knows that.
Come on, let's zoom it in.
Zoom it.
Zoom it.
One to throw to first, not in time to double up.
Turn around.
Mike Devereaux
No,
with the
Niecy's
4-7
back.
base on
Turn
Mike. So
around.
she goes from Buddy Bell to
Whoa.
You about done on that thing? Film, you better cut the part out with me in it. Because I don't want it going all over the world and across the nation. If you do, I want to be paid for it. I'll see you.